Welcome to the community. Kindly like, subscribe for more amazing updates. Thank you. Literacy being the ability to read, write, communicate, and understand the world around us is the foundation of a child's educational journey. And on this note, we bring to you three essential literacy habits to cultivate in your child to set them up for educational success. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're just joining us for the first time, we encourage you to go ahead and tap on the subscription button. Tap on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Are you ready? Let's dive right into it. Three essential literacy habits to cultivate in your child to set them up for education, for a successful educational journey. Number one, make reading fun. Yes, make reading fun. Because these days, children, even adults, find reading difficult. So you have to make it fun for them to be able to enjoy it, to even come around to go ahead and engage in the reading activity. How are you going to do that? Engage your child in interactive reading activities like reading aloud, role playing, or discussing their favorite books. Okay? And I'll drop a link on the website for a free ebook where you can get any book of your choice for your child. Okay, there is audio version of the books too. Okay. Secondly is practice handwriting daily. Yes, practice handwriting daily, even if it's for a few minutes. Encourage your child to write or draw something every day. Okay, even if it's just for a few minutes, let it be every day consistently, and you will see that your child will develop love for writing. Okay, and thirdly, create a literacy rich environment. Surround your child with books, labels, and opportunities to practice literacy skills in their everyday life. Okay, have a mini library in a corner in your home. Have a mini library and decorate it with their favorite books, child-friendly books, age-appropriate books, so that your child will be able to always want to go around there and read book. Even if it's just to be going through the pages, the pictures, let it be a daily practice. And as the child does that on a daily basis, he or she is being inculcated with the habit to always want to get engaged in a literacy activity on a daily basis. Okay, by incorporating these habits in your child's daily, you will set them up for literacy success, which is which is the hallmark of everything to set them up for a literacy success. Okay, now on this note, we'll wrap it up for today. Go ahead and share your favorite literacy tips or habits in the comments below. Okay, if you have any concern on any topic you want us to talk about, go ahead and use the comment section and we will get the right up for you. Okay, thank you for joining us today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more amazing updates.